Dear women, as the President of the Democratic Union, I am honored to celebrate International Women's Day with all of you. On this day, we recognize the incredible achievements of women and girls around the world, while also acknowledging the significant challenges that still lie ahead and the work we must do as a country to support women. Democratic Union stands in solidarity with women and girls who continue to face discrimination, inequality, and violence. We recognize that women's rights are human rights and that gender equality is essential for a just, peaceful, and prosperous society. As we celebrate International Women's Day, we are reminded that investing in women and girls is crucial for accelerating progress towards a more equitable world. This means supporting women's organizations, promoting women's leadership, and addressing systematic barriers that prevent women from reaching their full potential. As Democratic Union, we will appoint women to be provincial ministers in all the 10 provinces. We will also provide 2% income tax relief to companies led by Indigenous women CEO, MD, and CFO, FD, as a way of promoting women leadership in private sector. This resonates with the theme for all women and girls, rights, equality, empowerment. Let us recommit ourselves to the pursuit of gender equality and let us work together to create a world where women and girls can thrive, a world where they have equal access to education, healthcare, and economic opportunities, a world where they can live free from violence and discrimination. We cannot talk about unity without recognizing the role of women in this agenda. Together we can make this vision a reality. Together we will build a stronger, more prosperous nation. Happy International Women's Day. May God bless you. Thank you.